So guys, welcome back to my channel again. Before that we start our video, thanks so much for completing 64 subscriber. See guys, 64. Wait, I am zooming it. 64. See guys, we have completed. Thanks guys so much for giving so much of love. Guys, in today's video I will show you how you can download Wine. Wine is in software. Guys, what you are thinking? Which Wine I am saying? I am saying Wine is a software. Listen carefully. Wine is a software. By using Wine, we can download. We can use Windows application in Linux. Guys, for information, I am saying at present I am using Kali Linux and penetration testing OS, whatever. By using this software, we can run Windows application in Linux. Guys who are very new in computer and doesn't know about too much in technology, for them I am saying we cannot run directly Windows software in Linux. You have you guys, I think you have seen that Windows software extension is end with .exe. We cannot run directly in Linux. Linux does not support, but using this software we can run not direct. By using this software we can run Windows software. Okay guys, first we have to download this. For that, first I cut out this. Guys, if you are using not if you are using any Linux distribution, Ubuntu whatsoever, if it is Linux distribution, you can run it, no problem. Doesn't think I am using Kali, then you cannot run. It will run, no problem. So guys, I am opening my terminal. You also open your terminal. Let me to zoom it for your clarity. I think this much is enough for. I think you can see all. Okay guys, type sudo apt install install Wine. Okay guys, check out this command properly. Sudo apt install Wine. After entering this command, after writing this command, type enter, then give the password of your user. It will automatically install. I have already installed, that's why it's showing it. Let me to clear it. So guys, now we have to add an so guys, here you can see our you check it out which operating system you are using. I mean 32-bit operating system or 64. If you are using 64 architecture operating system, then type this command dpkg -add -architecture I386. Okay guys, after entering this command, you check it out. This spelling should not be wrong. dpkg -add architecture I386. After typing, you do enter. So guys, here I have already installed this. See guys, here I have already installed this, that's why it's showing this one. In your case it will not show any kind of error. If you get any kind of error, then you try with sudo. At normally no tension, you will not get error. Okay guys, now we have to update our repository. For that, type sudo apt update. Guys, after updating, so guys, my system is fully updated. I know, just few hours ago I just updated my system. You will run this command. I am not running this. My system is fully updated. I know. Sudo apt update. Guys, all the command I will give in description, no tension. Okay guys, after entering update command, I have cancelled it, but you will not cancel. Okay, update command. Okay, after entering this command, type apt install. Oh, sorry guys, we have to run with sudo apt install Wine 32. Okay guys, check it out properly. Sudo apt install Wine 32. Oops, sorry. Enter. I have already installed, that's why it's showing it. Okay guys, now guys, listen my words carefully. Next command is wine cfg. Here you can see this only. Do not write this sorry, type this command with any kind of sudo. Only writes wine cfg. Okay guys, it will add a part. Here you can see it guys. It will take just couple of seconds or minute. Okay guys, it take a very few seconds. Now here check it out, the configuration. Guys, you can change this configuration again when you will type wine cfg. If you type this again, you can change this configuration. Okay guys, you check it out in application section. Here you can see Windows version. I will advise you to always use latest. I will advise to use Windows 10. Here at present Windows 11 option has not came, but it will came. It will be come in maybe in few months. Okay guys, after selecting Windows 10. Okay guys, let me to explore more. I will explore in libraries. You can change it out, add your own library. In graphics section you can also change. You explore this you explore this by your own. I am not doing so much of changes guys. It will our video will become longer. I doesn't want. Click on apply. Okay, if you want to change again, then you type this command again, it will again come. Okay guys, but you can change here there. Okay, we are ready to install we have ready to install Windows software in Linux. Okay, let me to give you one example. Guys, at present I have limited amount of net. I cannot run big application. For now I am installing small application. You can run big application also. Let me to open a new tab. Here you type notepad, sorry, notepad plus. Download notepad. Okay guys, I am downloading the latest version. Download. Oops, sorry. Okay guys, I have not downloaded many days. Okay guys, here you can see save files. You can save it out. Guys, how much I remember, I have already saved it out. Guys, let me to check once minute. Yes guys, I am having only the executable binaries. That's why I'm not installing. Guys, I'm cutting this out. Okay guys, you can close your terminal. No needs of now at present. Here I have already installed the notepad plus exe file. Here you can see .exe. Now right click and open terminal. Here see our path, download path. You can change path using cd command, but as we are in the right path, you no need. You go to the that part which part you have downloaded. Now type wine, wine, then type npp. See guys, this command, let me to understand you. First you will type the software name wine. Wine is our software name. Wine is our that software that which we will we will run executables. Okay, first you will type wine. It's necessary to type wine. After wine you will type that software name. Here you can see npp 816, fully ditto, same to same. You will type that only. .exe is necessary. Then after typing, press enter. As normal installation. Next, I agree. Next. Create and shortcut. Guys, here you can see. Let me to close it. Oops. See guys, our notepad is notepad plus is working. Here you can see an desktop item has also created. Let me to open it. So guys, let me to show you one more software. So guys, this time I am downloading Sublime Text. Sublime Text is my one of the favorite text editor. See guys, I am downloading for the Windows exe file. Save file. Okay, it's downloading. Okay guys, here you can see our downloading is complete. Let me to close the browser. Here you can see guys .exe. Open terminal here. Let me to make big it. Okay guys, if I type ls, here you can see Sublime Text build dot whatsoever. For now type wine, WINE sub. Okay guys, here you can see type this command properly. First wine name, then which that software name with .exe. Press enter. Here you can see it guys. Next, and no, I doesn't want to explore. Install. So guys, here you can see our Sublime Text has installed. Wait guys, 1 minute. Where it has installed, let me to check it out. Type Sublime Text. See guys, our Sublime Text has installed. Guys, I have limited amount of net, that's why I'm not downloading big softwares. You can run big softwares using this tool softwares. Okay guys, once more you check it out. If you scroll down, here you can see and wine a fully path has created here at down. Oops, at wine. Here if you click here, then you go to program. Here you can see your downloaded software. By here also you can execute this software. Okay guys, for now this video is till this much only. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy it, like, share and subscribe please. Thanks for watching again. But goodbye.